Want to use hundreds of AI models like DeepSeek, Llama, and GPT-4 inside n8n without multiple subscriptions? Here's how to connect OpenRouter in under 1 minute. Go to OpenRouter AI, create an account, open your profile, and go to the Keys tab. Click Create Key, name it N8 YouTube project, and
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button.
And copy the key immediately. Now open n8n and create a new workflow. Add a chat trigger node, then add an AI agent node and connect them. Click the model input and choose OpenRouter Chat Model. In the OpenRouter settings, create a new credential and paste your API key. Save it. Open the model dropdown. Thanks to OpenRouter, you can access OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Llama, and many open source models. If you want something free, search DeepSeek Free and select a free model. Click Chat, type Hello, and the bot replies instantly. You now have a fully working AI agent powered by OpenRouter. If this helped, like and subscribe for more n8n tutorials.